The challenge can be concluded as fail. However, the most important thing is what I had learned from this challenge. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the tips to get real subscribers and how to grow a small channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the challenge I'm taking. It's about getting 1K subscribers in 1 week and it starts now. This channel is basically just start from scratch. There are lots of ways to get subscribers. In my previous video, I did try to use a method to grow my subscribers really fast, but not working at all. So just go check out those videos and hopefully you learn something from there. The way I found that it's most useful for me to get my subscribers is through YouTube and Facebook. Basically in YouTube, you can collaborate with other small YouTubers. In here, I recommend you guys to follow this channel because it's about how to earn and grow your YouTube channels. And there are lots of small YouTubers there under the comment sections. They are seeking for subscribers too. You can also go to channels that are in your niche and leave a comments telling others that hey, I create similar contents. Check me out. Hopefully there will be interested viewers visit your channel. Next is the Facebook. It is really similar on how you do on YouTube. You invite your friends to subscribe you or go join the YouTube subscribers exchange groups and you get subscribers by subscribing others. Yeah, those are the ways I found most useful. If you are doing that for hours daily, you can roughly get about 30 to 40 subscribers per day. So it probably takes you weeks or months to get up to 1K subscribers. I have to say, don't overgrind your subscribers through these ways. The ultimate fact to grow a small channel to a big channel is through consistency. Consistently create contents, upload your videos, and improving the quality of your videos. Every successful YouTubers have done that. Remember that after all, your subscribers come from your videos and also your viewer. Lastly, in this challenge, I realized getting 1K subscribers is actually not the hardest part. It is actually the 4,000 hour watch time from viewers in order to become one of the YouTube partners. So if you can complete the 4,000 hour watch time, you can easily get 1K subscribers. So keep creating and improving your videos consistently until you make it. Good luck! So if you are still watching it right now, hit on the subscribe and like buttons and don't forget to turn on the notification bell because there will be upload every few days. So see you in the next video.